and they're helping the pollinators of the world. Delicioso. Welcome to the Wolf's Den. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a bee's knees using Barr Hill Gin from Vermont. Very simple to make, all fresh ingredients. Now what we have here is a list of what we need. We need 3 ounces, 89 milliliters of Barr Hill Gin. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters of Wolf's Den honey syrup or your own. 3/4 ounce, 22 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Cocktail cherry, some cherry juice, and some cold ice. That's it. A glass to drink it out of. That's all you need. And in honor of all the pollinators, we are going to make a bee's knees cocktail. We're going to garnish with a cocktail cherry and a little bit of cherry juice and a lemon wheel. The honey syrup is very simple. In honor of all the bees, in honor of Barr Hill Gin for everything that they've been doing to help the pollinators. For every post, they transform a certain amount of land to be positive habitat for the bees. They plant certain flowers, they adjust the soil, make it habitable for the bees. To attract the bees, to begin, you're going to need the gin. I went to Tipsy Duck. I went to Tipsy Duck in Eastport, New York, and I purchased Barr Hill Gin. It's got some very interesting information on the bottle. One thing I noticed is that it has actual beeswax sealing the bottle top, which is cool, and a whole bunch of information that we could get into on the next video. For today, I want to get this done because, to be honest with you, it's a deadline and I'm about to miss the deadline. Bee's Knees has been around since Prohibition time, back when gin and certain spirits were supposedly made in bathtubs and not very good and questionable ingredients. People would put honey and lemon into the bathtub to make it more palatable. This drink is amazing. We'll start by chilling our glass. Perfect. We're going to need a shaker tin. Here's the cobbler shaker, a very tiny one. I got this from my sister. I love it. It's just 3 pieces. Very tiny, perfect for 1 cocktail. First, what we'll do, fill our cocktail shaker with ice. I have a nice OXO jigger. Nice OXO jigger. This one is really great. A nice little rubber centerpiece so you can hold it without slipping. I like this one. A lot of people start with the cheapest ingredients first. I don't. This is a great, great gin from what I've heard. I have not tried it yet. Caledonian Spirits Barr Hill Gin. Landcrafted in the heart of Vermont. Made with juniper and raw honey. Each batch of Barr Hill Gin is distilled in our custom-built botanical extraction stills. Heaps of juniper are brought to an elegant balance by the floral depth of our raw honey. The results are distinctive and unparalleled. How do we extract such complexity from simple raw materials? Our secrets are kept in the hive. Now, Barr Hill is a great brand who is environmentally conscious, and they're helping the pollinators of the world. Go Barr Hill. Now, I have not opened one of these bottles yet, but I see the beeswax in here. Very simple, very simple. Very simple, very sticky. That's pretty interesting. Oh, here we go. That smells nice. 3 ounces of gin. 1.5. And 3. I'm going to go with 1 ounce of honey syrup. Fresh lemon, 3/4 ounce. Our glass has been chilling. We can get rid of that ice. Take our shaker tin, close it up. 12 seconds is good. You'll see it getting cold. You'll feel it getting cold and you'll see it condensing on the outside. That looks pretty. Take out a little cherry. And I like to add a little bit of cherry juice into it. Look at that, huh? Now, if that's not pretty, I don't know what is. Folks, we have a Barr Hill Bee's Knees right here. That is delicious. That is delicious. That's amazing. Here's to Barr Hill and their pollinator campaign. Here's to bees. Here's to bees' knees from Prohibition time. Here's to all my Wolf's Den followers. Thank you. The Wolf's Den shirts that are available at the Wolf's Den Outpost. Pretty cool, all different colors. Also have golf shirts for those of you who like golf. We got the nice logo over here. We have tons of merch, hats, water bottles, knapsacks, you name it. Go to the Wolf's Den Outpost and check it out. And they're helping the pollinators of the world.